Everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 language arts. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter commas. The lesson we're going to play is commas with direct addresses and after introductory words. Then commas review. Then we'll start the new chapter abbreviations. And the lessons are abbreviate days of the week, abbreviate month of the week. So let's just start with the month of the year. Let's just start with the chapter commas. Okay, here I'm on grade 4 language arts. The chapter is commas. So let's just start with the chapter. And the lesson is commas with direct addresses and after introductory words. So let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the first example. Correct the bold part of the sentence by adding any missing commas. If the sentence is already correct, don't add any commas. Wow, kids in the US use about 730 crayons by their 10th birthdays. Use commas to separate the name of person being spoken to from the rest of the sentence. Got it? Like Bella, thank you. Or thank you, Bella. Or thank you, Bella, for your help. Use a comma after words like yes, no, well, and many others. Then they are followed by a complete sentence like yes, that sounds good. So you have to put a comma after yes. Got it? Well, let me think about that. So you have to put a comma right after the word well. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Correct the bold part of the sentence by adding any missing commas. If the sentence is already correct, don't add any commas. Yes, Earth travels about 1.6 million miles every day. The second one is yes, Earth travels about 1.6 miles every day. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. You just have to put a comma right after yes. Got it? And the rest of the sentence goes as it is. Earth travels about 1.6 million miles every day. Option number 1 is the correct option. Correct the bold part of the sentence by adding any missing commas. If the sentence is already correct, don't add any commas. Did you hear, Miss Arnold, that there is a blizzard coming? And the second one is, did you hear, Miss Arnold, that blizzard coming? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? Option 2 is the correct option. Got it? You don't need to add any comma right after the name. Did you hear? You just have to put the comma right after the did you hear. Got it? Okay, use commas to separate the names of a person being spoken to from the rest of the. Okay, so you have to the name as well. So option number one is the correct option. Got it? Yes, hi everyone. If you have any question, you can just write down the question straight away. I can see all your messages. So option number one is the correct option. Correct the bold part of the sentence by adding any missing commas. If the sentence is already correct, don't add any commas. No, we will not dress our dog in a costume of Halloween. No, we will not dress our dog in a costume for Halloween. So which is the correct option, one or two? Yes, option number one is the correct option. You don't need to add comma right after we. Got it? We just put have to put comma right after no. Grandma, your refrigerator seems to be broken. Grandma, your refrigerator seems to be broken. So which is the correct option? Option one or option two? Option number one is the correct option. You don't need to put a comma after the your. Got it? Grandma, your refrigerator seems to be broken. Option number one is the correct option. You don't need to put comma after your. Got it? We missed our flight yet again, Leah. We missed our flight yet again, Leah. Which is the correct option? Option one or option two? Option number one is the correct option. Got it? You just have to put comma right after the again. Got it? Not before again. So option number one is the correct option. Wow, kids in the US use about 730 crayons by their 10th birthdays. The second one is wow, kids in the US needs use about 730 crayons by their 10th birthday. So which is the correct option, one or two? Everyone, please just write the answers only once. Option number one is the correct option. You don't need to put comma right after the word kids. Stop answering again and again. Just write the answer once. Otherwise, I'm going to block you. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is commas review. So we're going to review the chapter. Use commas to separate three or more items in a series. Put a comma after each item in the list except the last one. Like the American flag is red, white, and blue. So you have to put the comma right after every item. Got it? Just right. You don't have to put after the last one. In dates, use a comma between the day and the year. You have to put a comma between day and year. Use a comma between a city and state or between a city and country like Miami, comma Florida and Paris, comma France. Use commas to separate the name of a person being spoken to from the rest of the sentence like Bella, thank you. Thank you, Bella, or thank you, Bella, for your help. Use a comma after words like yes, no, well, and many others when they are followed by a complete sentence like yes, that sounds great. Well, let me think about that. Got it? Let's start with the test questions. Kayla invents many wonderful tales about dragons, giants, and unicorns. So, which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. You have to put comma right after each item, like after dragons, after giants, but not except the last one. Got it? So, option number 1 is the correct option. Actually, all reptiles have skin that is covered with scales. So, which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? You don't have to put comma after all reptiles. Got it? If you have a name of any reptile, then you have to put a comma. But here you have all the reptiles, so you don't need to put. Well, a cold-blooded creature takes on the temperature on its of its surroundings. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. You just have to put a comma after the word well. Got it? You have to see the arcs in mob uta, which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? I think option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? You have to put a comma between the name of the city and name of the state. So that would be option number 1. Got it? Mr. Noman has a handkerchief, a watch, and some coins in his pockets. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. You have to put a comma right after every item. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The swamp is filled with alligators, turtles, and insects. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? So option number 1 is the correct option. You just have to put comma right after each item. Alligator, turtles, You don't have to put comma after with. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. Miss Dado has met my famous artists, actors, and musicians. So which option is the correct one? Option number one is the correct option. Got it? You have to put comma after every item, so you have to put comma after artist, actors, and actors as well. I was hoping, Grandpa, that you wouldn't put opinions in on onions in the chicken soup. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is option number one is the correct option. Got it? Very good. Okay, the next one is we sold encyclopedias, furniture and clothing at the garage sale on July 17. So which is the correct option? Option one or option two? So option number two is the correct option. You have to look for the dates. You have to put a comma after the. So that would be, I think, option number one is the correct option, not two. Got it? Yes, option one is the correct option. The mountains near boys are beautiful, are quite beautiful, mom. So which is the correct option? Option one or option two? The correct option is option number one is the correct two. I think one is the correct option. You don't need to put comma after the names. Yes, option one is the correct option. I'm right. You don't need to put comma after boys. Got it? Okay, got it. Okay, wow. Cricket have ears on their legs. So which is the correct option? Option one or option two? Option number one is the correct option. You don't need to put comma after the cricket. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. We're going to start the new chapter. You have to do the final test of the chapter by your own because I can't see my final test until I status of my all test is completed. You can see all of them are in progress because I haven't completed the test questions. Got it? Let's just start with the next lesson. That is the next lesson is the next chapter is abbreviations. So let's just start with a new chapter that is abbreviations. Okay, let's start with the first lesson, abbreviate days of the week. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. An abbreviation is a short version of a word that we cannot say the whole word. We can just write down the uh, short version of the word. Days of the weeks are often abbreviated. The abbreviation usually consists of the first three or first four letters of the word, followed by a period. Abbreviations for days of the week are always capitalized. Like Monday, you can write MON with a full stop. Got it? That would be okay. Same thing you have to do with all the days of the week. You have to put the three letter name and then you have to put the comma after the name. Let's just start with the test questions so that we can do some of the practice questions. Okay, Thursday dash Saturday. So which is the correct option? Option one or option two? So the correct option is after Thursday you have a Friday. So option number one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is dash Thursday Friday. So which is the correct option? Before Thursday, which day it is? The correct option is option number one. Got it? Right before the Thursday we have Wednesday. Option number one is the correct option. Thursday, Friday, which is the correct option? Option one or option two? The correct option is option number one. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, Sunday dash Tuesday, which is the correct option? After Sunday, you have a Monday. So it would be Sunday, then Monday, and Tuesday. You just have to write three letters, first three spellings, and then you have to put a full stop. Got it? Wednesday, Thursday, and the correct option is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What you didn't understand, you just have to write down that is the abbreviation. You don't have to write the complete lesson name, like complete days of the names of the days. Like you don't have to write Wednesday. You just write WET and a full stop. We know that that would be for Wednesday. Got it? These are the abbreviations, the short form of the original name. Got it? Yes, the correct option is Friday. I forgot to click on the OK button. Sorry. Okay, the next one is dash Monday and Tuesday. Which day is before Monday? Yes, very good. That would be Sunday. It is Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday dash Thursday, which is the correct option? Tuesday, and here you have Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, the next one is dash Tuesday and Wednesday. So which day is before Tuesday? Yes, it is Monday. Got it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is abbreviate the months of the year. Let's just start with the next lesson. You can abbreviate the months of the year. Like you can write just three letters like January, you can write Jan, then a full stop. February, you can write Feb and full stop. March, it is Mar and full stop. April, you just have to write down the first three letters of the name of the month. Got it? June and July are not abbreviated. The rest of the months are abbreviated. Got it? May, June, and July because they have already very they are already just three and four spellings. Got it? Okay, fill in the missing months abbreviation. If a month does not abbreviate have an abbreviation, type the full name instead. Okay, October, November, and dash. So which is the month right after November? So the correct option is option number one. Got it? Right after November, we have a December, so we can write it abbreviation form. That would be DEC and a full stop. June, July, which is the month after July? Yes, it would be August. Right after June, July, we have an August. Got it? Okay, the next one is January dash and March, which is the month between January and March. Yes, that would be January, February, and March. September dash November, which is the month after September. That would be October. Got it? Between September and November, we have an October. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Dash April and May, which is the month before April. That is March. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. March, April, and May. So March is the correct option. It would be April. Got it? Before May, it would be April, May, June. Okay, the next one is October dash December. So which is the month between October and December? Between the October and December, we have yes, right after October, we have a November. Okay, July and September, which is the month between July and September? Yes, that would be August. So the correct option is August. Okay, the next one is February, March, which is the month after March. After the March, it is April. Got it. So the correct option is April. Okay, August, September. The next one is, after September, it is October. So the correct option is October. Okay, the next one is, which is the month before February? Yes, the correct option is before February, it is January. So the correct option is January. Okay, the next one is May and July, which is the month that is between May and July. The month that is between May and July is June. Got it? You don't have to abbreviate June, you have to write them. June, July, May, June, July, as it is. Okay, the next one is October dash November, August dash October. So, which is the month between August and October? Okay, that would be August. After August, it is September. So, the correct option is September. The next one is May, June, which is the month after June. Yes, that would be July. The month after June is July, and you cannot abbreviate July. Got it? Okay, March, April, which is the month after April. After the April, the month is, yes, option number one. May is the month you cannot abbreviate May, June, and May, June, July. Okay, the next one is February, then dash and April, which is the month between February and April. March, April. Got it? It would be March. March dash and May, which is the month between March and May. That is March, April, and May. Got it? The correct option is April. Okay, dash July and August, which is the month between before July. That would be June. Got it? Okay, the next one is March and April, which is a month before March. It is February. Got it? We are done with the test. So we're working on grade 4 language arts. The chapter we're working completed is commas. The lessons are commas with direct addresses and after introductory words, then commas review. Then I've started a new chapter that be abbreviations and the lessons abbreviate days of the week, abbreviate months of the year. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 4:45. Got it? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.